Hey, what is up, my dudes? If you don't know already, I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are literally on day 29 of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN, and I have kind of a crazy one for you today. So I saw this artist, Will Hughes, on Instagram and fell in love with his 3D art, and I saw this crazy Ronald McDonald thing. I really wanted to recreate it, make it into a body art and everything. So yeah, if you want to see me recreate a psycho Ronald McDonald murderous clown, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. I have a cool surprise for you guys for the 31st day, so you really want to stick around and check that out. And let's just jump into the video. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take this white face paint and just map out the collar. We're going to start with his clothes. So we're doing his iconic striped sleeves and just kind of mapping out his outfit, then doing the McDonald's logo, of course. Then just filling this in, I am using the Mehron Paradise AQ palette. These paints are really good for just laying everything down, doing a really solid base color. So we're taking this Uh Huh Honey palette from ColourPop. It has a great dark yellow to shade on that, because if you have yellow clothing, you don't want to shade it with black. It would be too dark, so you want to use like a dark yellow to shade it. And then same thing with the red, you want to use like a dark red to shade those areas. And then just using a white cream paint to highlight everything, just to make everything really pop and look three-dimensional. Alright, next we gotta do the face, and we're just gonna glue down the eyebrows with some Elmer glue, just kind of comb those up and then powder them so that they're not sticky when you put the paint on top. And then just taking that cream paint, just covering the entire face with that. Ronald is pretty pasty, so we're just doing that, and then down the neck, and then just powder that shit good. And make sure you get all the spots. And we're using the Mehron and Mimi Choi palette, because I really love this gray shadow. We're just starting, I am following the reference of Will Hughes' photo, and just kind of mapping out his like really deep set eyes, creepy eyebrows. And then doing the cheeks and just really contouring everything, taking my time. And doing his red nose, of course, with some red face paint. Now I'm just starting to map out the mouth. He's gonna have a really creepy smile. Now his teeth, so he doesn't have a great set of teeth. So I'm just kind of doing them all random and gross, and I really love how they came out. So we're just shading them a little bit yellow because, you know, he's a killer clown. You think he's gonna have great teeth? And then just filling around that with black. So once you fill it all in, then it looks like he's smiling. And then I'm kind of just messing up the red parts. I don't want it to be too clean. And then just shading under the cheekbones. And just going back in with a darker gray, adding more dimension. You guys know I really like to add layers. Just take your time, really build everything up. Just adding some of his wrinkles. And then doing his little clown eyebrows too. And just doing finishing touches on the lips. Alright, so now just adding a little pop of white to the lips and the nose, make them look more three-dimensional. And now I am yet again ruining a wig for a video. So just taking one of my straight red wigs and literally just teasing the shit out of it and destroying it forever, but I mean, it's worth it, right guys? And I popped in those white contacts, of course. He looks so gross. I added some blood, forgot to film that, I'm sorry, and put a bloody handprint as well. And I really hope you guys like it. I feel like this is definitely one of my favorites, and I don't usually like my looks, so I'm really happy with it. And if you did like it, please give this video a like, please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications because you really don't want to miss the next two videos. I promise they're gonna be great. And if you want to see the picture of this and all my other pictures of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN, please check out my Instagram. And I also have some really creepy TikTok videos and fun stuff happening over there as well. So yeah, tomorrow's video is going to be kind of like special effects, UV paint maybe. I don't know, you didn't hear it from me, but yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're almost Halloween, guys. It's going to be good. Trust me. Bye, guys.